I'm Byron Irwin, the National Sales Manager for EcoDrum Composter. Today we're going to cover in the training video how to program your control box on the EcoDrum unit.
In order to control the air system timing and duration of your EcoDrum, as well as to manage the drum's rotation, you first need to identify the control box on your unit. The control box is located at the loading end of the unit. The exterior of the box provides two simple switches for day-to-day operation of your EcoDrum. If your EcoDrum is ready to operate, the green light located here will be lit. The two switches located on the control box are each labeled in order to independently control either the fan or the drum. Each switch has both a manual and auto function. During day-to-day operation, both switches will almost always be set to auto. The manual function is usually reserved for equipment tests and to add an additional rotation if required. In order to modify the timing of your EcoDrum's fan cycles and drum rotation, the control box can be opened by unlocking two latches on the side of the box. Opening the control box will allow you to access the unit's dual arm-run clocks. The left clock controls the drum's rotation, while the right clock controls the air system. In order to control the timing of the functions of your EcoDrum, first the date and time must be set. Start by removing the timer switch cover. Press and hold the mode key for 2 seconds to enter the clock's adjustment mode. In order to select the current day, press the D key. Once correct, set the current time using the H key to adjust for hours and the MPWD key to adjust for minutes. When the correct time has been set, press the right key and the clock will start. Finally, press the mode key 3 times to exit the adjustment mode. Once the correct day and time have been set, you're ready to program the timing of your EcoDrum's rotation. To begin, hold the mode key on the left clock for 2 seconds to enter the clock's adjustment mode. Once in adjustment mode, press the mode key again to bring up the P symbol in the bottom right-hand corner. Now enter what time of the day you wish the drum's first rotation to occur. Pressing the right key will show what time that rotation will end, which can also be adjusted with H and MPWD keys. In order to set additional rotations, press the right key again and repeat the time setting process. Once up to 12 rotations can be scheduled per day. Consult your owner's manual or our training video on balking and ratios in order to determine how many rotations per day is right for you. Once all rotations have been set, press the mode key twice to exit adjustment mode. This right clock controls the unit's air system. The EcoDrum's fan is preset to activate 24 times a day, starting 45 minutes into every hour. To adjust the length and the time of that fan blows for, press and hold the mode key on the right clock for 2 seconds to enter the clock's adjustment mode. Once in adjustment mode, press the mode again to bring up the P symbol in the bottom right-hand corner. You can now cycle through the number of minutes you wish the air system to run for every hour by pressing the MPWD key. Please note that going past 60 minutes will start rotating through the seconds option, as denoted by the S on the clock. You will have to cycle past 60 to once again adjust the minutes indicated by the M. Once set, press the mode key twice to exit the adjustment mode. This concludes the training video on the control box and your EcoDrum composter. If you have any further questions, please feel free to click on the links provided to our other training videos on a variety of topics, or email us at info@ecodrumcomposter.com.